Right, let's continue and let's talk about this quick access toolbar on the top left hand corner of Excel, the interface. Now if you got any icons in there at the moment, don't worry about it, as we will be discussing it. You'll see there's a little drop down arrow there. If I click on that, then it says they customize the quick access toolbar. From there I can select automatically save, new, open, save, email, quick print, print and review and print, spelling, undo, redo, sort ascending, sort descending, touch mode for tablets, more commands, and even show below the ribbon. Now to customize this quick access toolbar, it's very nice, especially for productivity. So let's say I wanted to print a file. Now look at what I need to do. I need to click on file, and I remember if I click on file it takes me to the backstage. From there I now need to select print, and then if I wanted to send it to a printer I have to go and click print again. So all in all that was 3 clicks. Now what I could have done, select the drop down from my quick access toolbar and now just select quick print. Can you see the new icon has appeared? So from now on, whenever I need to print, I'm just going to click that icon on the top from my quick access toolbar, and off it goes to the printer. To remove this, click, and if you got any others, click on the drop down arrow, and wherever you see this tick mark, just click on it and it will take it away. Clicking back on the new, can you see nothing is there now? Hope yours is like that as well. Let's add the most useful ones. Let's add new. Look at the icon when you start a new one. That's a new file. Let's add open. Looks like a folder. Let's click on save. That saves you to like a disk. You have email, quick print. Let's add undo. Let's add redo, and that should be fine for now.